In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shopify bundles with catching quantity breaks. Whether you're looking to boost sales or enhance your customers' shopping experience, creating product bundles is a fantastic strategy. Let's dive in and explore this process in a few straightforward steps. First things first, let's head over to your Shopify admin panel. Here, you need to ensure your Kaching Quantity Breaks app is installed and set up properly. If you haven't installed it yet, just visit the Shopify App Store, search for the app, and click that install button. Once you're all set up with the app, we can start creating our bundles. Begin by selecting the products you want to include in your bundle. These should ideally be related items that complement each other and make sense when purchased together. For instance, if you're selling shoes, you might bundle them with socks or shoelaces. The key here is to create value for your customers, enhancing their shopping experience. Once you've chosen your products, it's time to explore the Kaching Quantity Breaks app. Open the app from your Shopify admin and look for the section that allows you to create quantity discounts. In this section, you'll configure your bundle offering. Enter the specifics, like what products will be part of the bundle and how many units need to be purchased for the discount to apply. This is where your creativity comes into play. Consider offering varied discount levels for different quantities to give your customers flexible buying options. With your products selected and your bundle configuration set, it's crucial to craft a compelling name and description for your bundle. This will show up in your Shopify Store and should clearly communicate the benefits and savings your customers will receive. Avoid using jargon. Keep it simple and to the point while letting your customers know how much they'll save or why the bundle offers better value. Now, it's time to upload engaging product images. High-quality images can significantly impact a customer's decision to purchase, so ensure that these showcase the products in a flattering way. Combining individual product shots with a combined image of the bundle can provide a clear perspective for your customers. Once you've put everything together, don't forget to thoroughly test your bundle setup. This includes checking your store to ensure the bundle displays correctly, any discounts apply as planned at checkout, and the overall process is seamless. It's always a good idea to place a test order yourself, just to confirm everything's working smoothly from a customer's perspective. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Shopify bundle using Kaching Quantity Breaks. By following these steps and ensuring a seamless and attractive presentation, you're all set to offer your customers exciting and enticing bundle deals. Remember, it's all about adding value and enhancing your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy bundling!